part of my gate securing, I'm going to be doubling up on this angle iron since I don't have really thick, strong angle iron, and I'll show you what I do with it. First thing before I begin, I always clean my metal before doing any welds so you don't contaminate it. Right, metal's clean and we're good to go with the weld. You can see on all the edges where I'm going to be joining, I've taken off any rust or any coating. That way you're going to get a good pure weld. Right, not the neatest job, but I mean it's very thin metal to weld and I think it's good enough.